for, once again, the skeleton and root planing. Okay, so we'll be placing some topical anesthetic, and it's a pretty strong one, underneath the gums and around the gums. And the laser will more so kind of just start us off so that way we can get that bacteria. At the same time, what we're doing is it's basically kind of warming the area up, heating the area up, and promoting health to that area, kind of bringing blood flow to it. The instruments are specially made. You can see like how they got that curvature on them, and they're made like that so that way I can get back into these spots and I can drop it down into those pockets. I want to get to the root surface to remove the tartar buildup around the areas. So when we floss, what you want to do is get a piece of floss, roughly a little bit longer than this. You want it to be about as long as your arms are, okay? Wrap it around your middle fingers, just go in a circle. So that way you can tighten up the floss and you can use your index fingers, okay? This, you're gonna reduce how much plaque and bacteria are sitting around those gums. Brush side to side. 2 to 3 seconds, brush down. Basically, at this point in time, things are looking a lot better than before. Stuff obviously, like I was showing you right now, tissue shrunk down, the pockets look a lot better. And there's not as much tartar buildup, which you probably feel the difference, right?
Right.
Yeah. So now, like I said, the biggest part of it is going to be, once again, is the maintenance on it. Making sure you're flossing, you're brushing, using a water pick, something to keep those, keep that plaque from building up in between those areas, and then getting that tartar buildup. We'll just keep on monitoring at this point in time. We'll keep you on a 3 to 4 month periodontal maintenance recall, and then we'll just basically go from there. At any point in time, you have any questions or concerns, let us know. That way we can take care of it.